Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a Honda S800 Racing. This casting is by Hotwheels, part of their Silver Series, and is from Rally Racers 5-pack. 5 set actually, not 5-pack. If you don't know about Silver Series, they come with slightly better detail than mainline, still not up to the level of premium because they are slotted between those two. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Honda S800 out of its box. First thing first, it looks really good in red with that gold wheel combo. Looks really nice. Paint actually looks really good. I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front, you've got some great details. Those headlamps, stun indicators, running lamps, grills around and grill. They all look really good. They're nicely detailed. Looks like they shaved the bumper for racing, I guess. Looks like that. Even the lower grill is detailed in black. Doesn't have mirrors. My bad. I don't know why. Maybe because it's racing. I guess so. You got number 8 on the hood. This racing stripe that goes from front to back. Both the windshield wipers and this hump in the hood. So I don't know. Maybe something bigger. Don't know about it. I think it's a JDM car. Now going to the driver's side. I said it's JDM, so it's a right-hand drive obviously. So on the driver's side, you can get some good details. You got these lovely wheels which look really nice. You also get this Goodyear Castrol Honda wheel on the side. Number 8 again. Door handles also indicate painted in silver, so detailed. And you see that's got classic Honda patch. That's why I zoomed in to show you. That's the older Honda patch here. Not the new one you see these days. Let's move back to costume. So yeah, good details here. And if you see, I think these came as coupe and the other roof, which was like a fixed roof. So this is that version, I guess. It's actually look good with this red color. On the back, again some good details. You can see detailed tail lamp, twin exhaust. This look like handle for the trunk. Place for number plate, and you also got the latches for the trunk detail and the cap for the fuel. Looks really good. You do have this tiny window in the back. On the passenger side, it looks almost identical. Can't really see any difference. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. I know Hotwheels is slowly clearing out more details from the bottom. It's just few details you get. Interior is finished in black, and I think it looks really nice because it's got some nice details. And if I'm not wrong, they did a main line of this one too. So we'll try to find one and maybe make a small comparison video. But this one looks really good, and yeah, if you can find one, I think you should be happy to get this one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.